Hello, today I will show you top 25 things to do in Frankfurt, Germany. So let's start with the number 1, Eiserner Steg. Number 2, Frankfurt Cathedral. Number 3, Hauptwache. Number 4, Museum Safa. Number 5, Senckenberg Natural History Museum. Number 6, Steg Museum. Number 7, Mainkai. Number 8, Apfelwein. Number 9, Goethe House and Museum. Number 10, Old Sachsenhausen. Number 11, Main Tower. Number 12, St. Paul's Church. Number 13, Römerberg. Number 14, Deutsches Filmmuseum. Number 15, Palmengarten. Number 16, Eschenheimer Turm. Number 17, Schönkunst Hall. Number 18, Grüneburg Park. Number 19, Berger Straße. Number 20, Goethe House. Number 21, Kleinmarkt Hall. Number 22, Frankfurt Zoo. Number 23, Museum Angewandte Kunst. Number 24, Klassikstadt. And the last one, number 25, try some green sauce.